Oh no, baby bison is all alone in the rain. Toby hears the bison needs help. Toby grabs his bag and runs outside. Toby rides fast through the muddy path. He sees baby bison far, far away. Toby jumps off and slides down the hill. He cuts the branches with his rescue tool. Lightning hits. A big tree falls down. Toby climbs over the tree with his rope. He walks slowly across the broken bridge. Oh no, a board breaks, but he swings. He throws a rope to the scared baby bison. The bison is stuck. Toby runs to help. He pulls and pulls, but the leg won't move. He digs the mud with his shovel. Wind pushes Toby down, but he gets up again. He ties the rope to a log to pull harder. Yes, the bison's legs come free. They run away just before the mudslide. They hide under a big rock, safe now. Toby wraps the bison in a warm blanket. Toby gives the bison a bottle. The rain stops. The sun comes out. Toby walks with the bison on the safe trail. The bison sees its family. Toby waves goodbye.